Hey guys, welcome to our channel.
I'm Coco.
I'm Emma.
I'm Debbie.
And I'm Tiffany.
Before we start our video, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.
So now let's start! You might ask, what is waste to wealth? It is just a cycle start from the waste we don't need in our daily lives to the products that make financial benefits.
We have a great opportunity to interview the Tzu Foundation, which they make blankets and suits out of plastic bottles.
Our team is going to visit their eco-friendly station and blanket industrial chain.
Also, associating with Dye Technology Station will be a remarkable experience.
So you have to separate them according to their material.
回去之后你会觉有什么感觉？然后觉得好累哦，还是怎样？
累是一定会累的啦，马上回去以后就为了地球的关系，为了环保。
This volunteer explained the whole production of this eco blankets that bring warmth and love for refugees or people who are in need.
Mr. Lee wants to let our generation knows the importance of the economic cycles that leads to the mental cycle, which is truly meaningful because the main reason that promotes those volunteers is a passion for making the environment better for us.
I think it's really essential to make this idea, this amazing concept, to let our generation to know more about it from whether TV or videos or advertisements. There are many ways to do that.
Can you conclude about the concept about waste to wealth?
They reproduce by using those raw materials, making new eco products for the world, and then generate revenue. And those revenue becomes love and contribute 100% back to the society.
After interviewing the Tzu Foundation, the most essential thing in this concept isn't addressing it, but take actual action.
Our group is fascinated by the pure and passionate smile of every volunteer, which comes from the love of the earth.
Wealth indeed is significant, but the action of turning waste into something useful is more permanent and meaningful.
In conclusion, sustainability starts from hearts.